modelrailroadbenchwork.com here with the next layout that I've built. This is Jerry's 19 by 7 layout. As I understand, it's going in a garage. This is actually kind of a hill climbing layout, so you can get a good gander at it that way. But basically, I've got a yard on both ends, the low end and the high end, and it just kind of works its way around. So this layout was kind of interesting because the curves to build this were really, really big. So, for example, this whole module here, this is all in one piece. So it's actually an 18-foot long glue up, which I actually had to make a couple feet longer because of the way it transitions. And then, it just, again, another 18-foot long glue up on the front of this one. And then again for the third one as well. So as I said, it kind of meanders its way around in hill climbs. And then, it gets to the top here. There's another yard with another turntable. And then it makes its way around with a reverse loop. So, track-wise, it's not really complicated, but with all the risers and all the grades, it made for an interesting layout. And then the other reverse loop is actually underneath it, and they're stacked. But, it's, as you can tell, it's a really interesting layout. So it should look really, really good when it's finished because there's going to be mountains everywhere. So anyway, if you've enjoyed this, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.